So I'm in the city right now. I got myself a bubble tea because, well, they've got really good Chinese food here. I feel like that's what I'm doing in Melbourne, is eating Chinese food and going to Chinatown because I miss China.
Get bubble tea.
Bubble tea.
Yay!
Matcha, which they have in China.
Oops!
Aren't you Chinese?
Yay! That's so bad. Didn't made it in the first time.
Oh, first time. Ganbei. Just saying, this milk tea is phenomenal. It's exactly how I remember it in China.
Yeah, it's a perfect time to have it.
Yeah, why come to Melbourne? You can go to Chinatown.
Yep. We're gonna have Sichuan food later.
In the most recent census taken in 2016, it was recorded that 74% of Melbourne's CBD is born overseas and 25% of those are from China. So we are at a Chinese restaurant, of course, the first thing I do when I get to Melbourne, and it's like literally exactly like China. Like, look at this menu. So this is exactly how you would order if you were in China. They would bring you like this iPad and then you would choose, and look, it's written in Chinese. It's written with RMB. What did you say, you can pay with WeChat?
Yeah, you can actually pay with WeChat.
Wait, it was what? You can what?
Oh, you can actually pay with WeChat.
With RMB?
With RMB, yes.
Like, that's just ridiculous.
Yeah. It's just like living in China.
What's this place called?
China Chili.
China Chili.
China
So
Chili.
if you want authentic Chinese food, come to
Melbourne, Chinatown, China Chili.
Like, seriously, this is the exact same setup you will get if you go to a restaurant in China. Exactly with the bowls. Like, I'm in heaven right now. I'm so happy, and it's so good. I'm getting my favorite green beans. How's the food?
It was just like in China.
This food really is just like in China. Oh my gosh, so good.
We have rice, we have lamb.
Everyone together now. Lift up your voice to stop the sound. You will never stop us now. We're up too high and we won't come down.
You okay? Can't handle the Chinese spice?
Normally I can eat quite spicy, but this is kind of all the spicy goes through to my brain straight away.
So we're having Chinese food for breakfast, because that's typical.
Brunch, not breakfast.
Brunch. Okay, sorry, because these people wake up really late.
I finished work.
But yeah, this Chinese food is really, really good. Seems to be all I'm eating here in Melbourne. Aside from the food and Chinatown, the Royal Botanic Gardens really reminded me of parks in China. Royal Botanical Gardens right now. It's actually really nice. It's really hot in Melbourne, so coming here is a really good place to cool off, and it's really beautiful. It's very green, very jungly, yeah, and very peaceful. There's not a lot of people here, so it's pretty nice. These gardens were founded in 1846 and opened to the public in 1989. Australia's first Prime Minister and Jane Ross were even married at these gardens.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back.
Guys, look how massive this tree is. I don't typically stop to look at trees, but this is crazy big. The funny part is that apparently it's from California. It's called the Monterey Cypress. So I guess we have these in California. I have yet to see them. Maybe it's in the northern part, but yeah, this tree, massive and beautiful. It's really peaceful here and there's not a lot of just people in general. It's really loud from all these birds. I don't know if you can hear them, but they're very loud. After such a lovely day of exploring these gardens, I rushed back home to my friend Itty's house where her Sichuan friend Eva were cooking my favorite Chinese dish. What are you making?
麻辣香锅.
I say malagangua. Is that wrong?
Yeah, malagangua. It's a dish from Sichuan, right? Or Chengdu? Sichuan.
Oh, it looks so good! So this is actually my favorite dish that I used to eat when I lived in China was malagangua, or I call it dry pot. It's essentially hot pot, but without all the soup or oil in it. It's super good. I'm so excited to have it homemade.
Already.
Yeah, it smells good. It's gonna be really spicy though. I'm watching all those chilies.
She wants to be in the camera.
You want to be in the camera? Hi. He's like after the little speaker.
Yes.
Oh, this looks so good. So this is what?
Chicken. Chili chicken.
Chili chicken. What's it in Chinese?
辣子鸡.
Okay. This is malagangua, yeah?
Yes.
So this is like dry pot, and then this is corn pastry.
Yeah.
And then pumpkin cake. No, pancake. Okay. Yay! Thank you for cooking this awesome meal that I
Master
had,
Chef.
but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying my Australia adventures, because I am. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, definitely subscribe. If you want to see pictures, check out my Instagram or follow me around on my Instagram stories because I make a lot of them, and I'll see you next time. Bye!